What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is going to be consisting of me heading to Florida, and I do leave tomorrow. However, I did not pack yet. I haven't packed any of my camera gear, any of my clothing. Kind of a last minute person, but this is going to be consisting of all that stuff. Also, I do leave tomorrow early in the morning around 7:30, I believe. But anyways, let's get on to this vlog. Good news here, actually. This backpack, the zipper's detached on the side. It kind of sucks because I can't close it, but however, this huge pouch in there, it still covers my camera gear. I'm actually gonna try to take my other camera bag, only because I don't want to risk it and whatnot. Yeah, I'm gonna try to fix it. If not, I'm just gonna take the other one. First things first is gonna be obviously AirPods. I'm gonna be using the crap out of these guys in the airplane. Podcasts, YouTube videos that I'll probably download by today, hopefully, if I do remember. Next is gonna be the batteries. You guys know without battery, camera's useless. SD cards, same thing. Without SD cards, camera is kind of useless. And instead of taking my laptop, I'm gonna be taking my tablet. Probably gonna be editing some photos before I leave to Florida, but I do need my iPad in order to edit the video I'm gonna try to post, which is this one here, with my pen, Logitech, really amazing pen. First lens that I'm actually gonna be taking also is gonna be the 50-1.8. Probably not gonna be used it as much, but I'll take it just in case. Maybe my little brother wants some portraits. And next is gonna be probably my favorite lens, gonna be the 70-200. I'll try to take unique shots at the beach with this one, especially with all those rocks out there. Let's see what we can get with that. And obviously my camera is gonna expose that. So basically, this is my whole vlogging rig right here with the Gorilla Pod, with the external mic, 24-70 2.8, and the EOS R. You guys can see it there. Yep, it's the Canon EOS R. And last but not least is gonna be this little think tank bag that I'm gonna be putting all my stuff in. Hopefully I can fit my tablet in there. I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but yeah, this is the one I'm gonna take. The Wonder bag kind of fell on me. I'll try to see if I can find somebody to fix those zippers. Anywho, that's it for all that's gonna be in my backpack. So what I'm vlogging right now is gonna be this little setup, the Smooth Q with my iPhone 7 Plus. I might take this gimbal to Florida, I'm not sure yet. And yeah, vlog with it. I mean, it does a pretty good job stabilizing everything. So we'll see on that. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little segment of me showing what I'm going to be taking to Florida. And a couple notes, I'm not sure if you noticed, I've been cutting off on my social media posts, especially on Instagram. I stopped using Facebook. Facebook is getting kind of annoying with all this politics shit going on. But on Instagram, I'm going to start posting only 3 times a week. Mainly series shots. I know you guys like those type of photos. I especially love those type of photos because they do tell stories. However, I will cut it to 3 posts. And on my stories, I'm actually gonna stop posting like, you know, dumb little stories here and there. I'm not saying that the Instagram stories are dumb, but I'm gonna focus more on my vlogging and posting everything on YouTube, so that way I can get more traffic on YouTube. Hopefully it works. It's just trying to see what works and what not works. If not, I'll continue to post more on my Instagram, maybe go back to 7 days a week or whatnot. But for right now, I'm only cutting off to 3 times a week, and I'm only gonna put out my quality work. I'm gonna take my time editing, especially with these vlogs. I do want to put out more vlogs, hopefully maybe 2 a week. Put out like a point of view street photography, or a point of view, I don't know, maybe at the beach and whatnot, hang out with friends. But I want this channel to grow. Hopefully this year it'll grow even more. I know I've been getting a lot of subscribers, and I really appreciate you guys subscribing, liking, commenting on my videos. It means the whole world to me. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Alright guys, so I made it to Florida. I am in my parents' house today. Yesterday I didn't finish the vlog only because I was really tired and obviously my parents came to pick me up. But today I'm just chilling, not doing much, not shooting probably. Yeah, I mean this is more a vacation if anything, but tomorrow I will go out to GoPro Park. Basically one of my favorite parks that I used to shoot a lot. Then I'm thinking about going to Miami or Orlando. I'm not 100% sure yet. I think Miami seems more reasonable than Orlando because Orlando is so freaking far. And it is so windy today, so I'm not gonna even try to vlog outside. It's beautiful though, there is sun out and it's really hot compared to what Washington is. But just stay tuned for tomorrow. So yeah, this is how it sounds like outside. It's really ridiculously windy and I bet you guys can barely hear me, so it's gonna be a little test and see how this dead cat holds up. Damn, that's windy as hell. Alright, so I kind of lied to you guys. I was supposed to go to GoPro Park this morning, however it was downpouring. There was like so much rain. Like when it rains in Florida, it pours. And I'm just not exaggerating that. However, I am in Lake Worth Beach today with the pier, hopefully to get some shots, even some B-roll for Instagram and for YouTube. Hopefully you guys enjoy that, so let's get on to it. Somebody mentioned there's a shark in the ocean right now, but I did see it. I didn't capture it on video. I probably did for a second. I heard there's two now, but we'll see. Alright guys, so I'm going to be heading home now. I thought it was going to be some color in the sky, but I guess not. So this is going to end part 1 of Florida vlog. Maybe it's going to be part 3, but we'll see. Take care.